We want to show that cos 3 theta is identical to 4 cos cubed theta minus 3 cos theta, and hence solve this equation in the range 0 to 2 pi, giving answers as exact multiples of pi. So let's start with the cos 3 theta, and I'm going to write it as cos 2 theta plus theta. Now we know that cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. So this is going to be cos 2 theta, cos theta, take away sine 2 theta, sine theta. Now because of what we're trying to get, the cos 2 theta version I'm going to use is 2 cos squared theta take away 1. There's only one version for sine 2 theta, and that's 2 sine theta cos theta. So sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. And if we multiply that by sine theta, we get 2 sine squared theta cos theta. Expanding this out, we get 2 cos cubed theta minus cos theta. Now, what I'm going to do with the sine squared theta, because we know that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1, the sine squared I'm going to write as 1 minus cos squared. So it's 1 minus cos squared theta cos theta. So we've got 2 cos cubed theta minus cos theta. Now that will be take away 2 cos theta plus 2 cos cubed theta, and therefore that's 4 cos cubed theta, take away 3 cos theta, as required up here. So when we come to solve this equation, that left-hand side can be replaced with cos 3 theta. So what we're going to solve is cos 3 theta is equal to root 3 over 2. So the principal value for 3 theta is going to be, so cosine root 3 over 2, that's pi by 6. Okay, we are asked to solve that for theta between 0 and 2 pi, and that means that 3 theta we have to look at between 0 and 6 pi, which means going 3 times round our cast diagram. So draw the cast diagram. ASTC, it's a cosine, it's positive, so we get pi by 6 here, and we get pi by 6 here. So let's start collecting our answers. So the first one is going to be pi by 6. And then the next one is, remember this is 2 pi, and of course 2 pi is 12 pi by 6. Take away a pi by 6, so that one's 11 pi by 6. Then continue going. Now this one is at pi by 6 add 2 pi. So that one there is at 13 pi by 6. And the next one is going to be 2 pi further on than 11 pi by 6, because we've gone all the way around since the last time we were there. So that one there is going to be at 23 pi by 6. And then we keep going, and the next one is going to be 4 pi add pi by 6, or if you like, just this particular solution here add 2 pi, which would make it 25 pi by 6. And then the final one would be just before we get to 6 pi, or if you like, just add 2 pi onto this solution. 2 pi is 12 pi by 6, so that's going to be 35 pi by 6. And then to get theta, we just need to divide them all by 3. So that's pi by 18, 11 pi by 18, 13 pi by 18, 23 pi by 18, 25 pi by 18, and finally 35 pi by 18.